Balancing the expectations of an aspirational country like India while remaining on the path of fiscal prudence is no mean task. But that is what Finance Minister has been able to achieve in the Union Budget for fiscal year 2024-25. In mutual fund industry language, I would say budget has continued on the path of SIP, and that SIP stands for Sustainable Development, Inclusive Growth, and Prudence. Prudence meaning fiscal consolidation. Given the challenging global environment, the government has tried its best to put India on a high growth trajectory. It continues to build on the growth momentum. It continues to build on the reforms momentum, creating ease of living for its citizens and ease of doing business to promote more entrepreneurship. One of the biggest focus of this budget has been on employment generation, bridging the gap between education and employability. And I think that augurs very well to reap the full benefit of the demographic edge that India has got. Over the last couple of years, we have seen how India has leapfrogged in many areas, leveraging on the power of digital technology. And of course, over the last 5-7 years, we have seen tremendous investments in physical infrastructure. It looks like over the next several years, building on our progress on the digital infrastructure and physical infrastructure, the focus will also be a lot more on social infrastructure, which is education, healthcare, skill development. And with all of this, given the global environment, India has the full potential to become a reliable and trustworthy factory of the world, farm of the world, and front office of the world. Two big events are behind us, parliamentary elections and union budget. The focus will shift back to economic fundamentals, which remain highly resilient amidst a very challenging global environment, and corporate earning trajectory. Given where the valuations are, incremental returns are likely to be more driven by earnings growth than any expansion in the PE multiple. From the bond market perspective, budget was received well because of the focus on fiscal prudence, and of course, inclusion of India's bonds into emerging market bond index augur well for the bond market. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.